together with healthy people doing recreational self-restoration, will take part wishing to get to know the world of the life-AIDS-infected patients. All newcomers in the non-tech selectors of immortality receive an injection-demanded quantity of blood animals. Structure of an injection of immortality for genic group A1 blood of a monkey from northern Ethiopia. Eritrea biological master key genic key 2 blood of a leoness from the central Sudan. The program of management master key number 1. Key blood of a pig from Libya. The program of management of a master key number 2. Structure of an injection of immortality for genic group B1 blood of a leoness from the central Sudan. The program of management master key number 1. 2 blood of a pig from Libya. The program of management of a master key number 2. The demanded quantity of animal blood separately is injected in venous blood groove of modern people on transformations ready to the beginning on genetic code people. Go to branch, awakenings of genes of 4 elements. The waking up genes of 4 elements influence on head brain of the modern person. The brain of newcomers and people passes in a mode recreational self-restoration and process self-unpackings of the genetic code of the modern person begins. First minutes after the beginning of self-unpacking of the genetic code at all selectors of immortality painful changes begin in processes of a metabolism and infringement of adequate perception surrounding. From branch of diagnostic quarantine according to symptoms, beginning pathological conditions, selectors of immortality are distributed on chambers of genic first day. Chambers of genic first day. 1 chamber of refusal of a metabolism, refusal of the general metabolism. 2 chamber of neurotic frustration. 3 chamber of infringement of adequate perception surrounding. By the end of the first day of transformation of the genetic code, in alive remains only a part of initial number of selectors of immortality. The others, selectors of immortality, will accept death in the name of immortality. All mortal diagnoses and descriptions of behavior of the survived selectors' immortality are brought in medical database. From medical databases, sample of the information is carried out for designing of biomedical devices helper transformations of genetic code of the modern person, and also it is carried out sample of data for synthesis necessary for selectors of immortality of medicines. In chambers of genic first day there is all necessary of known the medical equipment for 1 helper process of transformation of a modern person genetic code. 2. The safety of selectors of immortality and the medical personnel of hospitals. Unitech, the automatic system of supervision protects outputs from chambers of all genic days. With a view of safety and process of transformation of the genetic code of the modern person, a chamber of the first and the next genic days are separated from scientifically. The research module passes of the direct machine control machine guns on tripods and gauges of movement. Ceased itself to supervise, selectors of immortality are dangerous, as for itself, so and for all surrounding the chamber of neurotic frustration, is completed all standard sizes of straight jackets, manual and foot shackles and means of soft fixing. 3 times a day the robot the conveyor carries, on chamber meal. With belief in itself in the modern person, impugn the physical and mental potential of scientific atheism and dialectics, not Marxist direction. The selectors, which have gone through the first genic day of immortality, move to chambers the second day of transformation of the genetic code. Chambers of genic second day. 1 chamber of refusal of secretory system. 2 chamber of the appeared hemp to suicide. 3 chamber of the working up subconsciousness cannibalism. 4 chamber of infringement natural automatisms, refusal of automatism of breath and blood circulations. 5 chamber of alarm unconsciousness. By the end of the second day of transformation of the genetic code, in alive remains only a part of initial number of selectors of immortality. The others, selectors of immortality, will accept death in the name of immortality. All mortal diagnoses and descriptions of behavior of the survived selectors of immortality are brought in medical database. From medical databases, sample of the information is carried out for designing of biomedical devices helper transformations genetic code of the modern person, and also it is carried out sample of data for synthesis necessary